What's up guys, so I'm gonna be just checking this out, or it's not really a review, but yeah, I got this. So it's basically just a padlock with a key in it. This is by Hyper-Tough. This is, I think, the same brand I bought with those screwdrivers. I mean, for like electronic screwdriver. So this is similar. Laminated steel padlock, so it looks pretty durable. So let's check it out. Can I just open it on this, or I gotta cut it? I think I'm gonna have to cut it with a scissor. Shit. Here's the back. I mean, it's just a freaking padlock. Just a sec. There you go. Alright, cut it open. Yeah. I think I've cut it all the way. There we go. Alright. It's pretty heavy. Wait, how the hell? Oh. I was thinking, how the hell am I gonna put the key under here? Forgot. I gotta remove the metal thingies. Oh, wait, let's take a pic first. I remember, I don't think they allowed this in school. Like, they only allow the use of lockers, like locker combinations. They don't really allow these kinds of padlocks. They don't want you using a key and a padlock. Everybody has to go buy a locker whenever you have, because we have lockers in high school back then. So I remember they said you can't have padlock with a key. It's like it's not allowed or something like that. I have no idea. Although some lockers I think have a built-in like padlock built right into it. What the f... Okay. There we go. Alright. Let's try it. With the key. There we go. Alright. I'm probably going to use this for something. But there you go. Stainless steel, pretty heavy. It's like maybe a half a pound, or I don't know exactly how heavy a pound is. What's the weight on this? Doesn't really say the weight. Oh, whatever. Alright, there you go. Hyper-Tough laminated. Oh, the laminated steel padlock. Yes, stainless steel, man. You can throw this at someone. No, I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Peace. Wait, let me see. I'm gonna try it on this. I think it's hard to kind of see. Okay, it fits. This is like my little chest thingy. It's made of metal, but it's just for, it's like a toy. Not really a toy, but it's like an extra little treasure. There we go. Works. It's pretty tough. Now we're gonna hide this key, I guess.